just cut someone off. He's heading eastbound on Cass. He's going through the light right now.
Man, one's got an eye.
Copy that. Southbound on Northwest on Cass.
Looks like he's gonna run, guys. He's on the shoulder.
Copy that. Looking like he's gonna run.
He is running. Wanted for homicide.
Affirm.
It's a great town and country. We're coming up to Harrington. Speeds are 75.
Speed 75.
All the traffic stopped for the intersection. He just blew the light. Continuing southbound, speeds are 55.
Blue light, continuing southbound, just through the light.
Southbound through the railroad tracks.
Through the track.
Speeds are now 80.
Speeds are at 80.
Alright, dispatch, now he's slowing down.
Going up.
Alright, we're picking him back up. We're doing 70. I got several Clinton rollers with me. Alright, we're hitting the brakes. Stand by.
Copy that.
Alright, now he's driving. Okay, stand by.
Anyway.
Through the light at Rudgate, and he's driving into the oncoming lane.
Through the light of Rudgate into oncoming traffic.
Speeds 85 miles an hour. There is no southbound traffic at this point.
Speeds 85, no southbound traffic.
We're approaching a red light, dispatch, southbound at 16.
Approaching the red, southbound at 16.
I got a lot of heavy westbound traffic, guys. Stand by, stand by. Stand by. Alright, dispatch, we're westbound 16. Looks like he's going to hit the flipper. Alright, continuing westbound 16. Speeds are now 55 miles an hour. We're through the railroad tracks.
Westbound metro through the railroad tracks. Keep that growth back, guys.
Alright, dispatch, approaching westbound at Charter Oaks. I got heavy traffic. Speeds are about 80.
Westbound at Charter Oaks, heavy traffic, speeds at 80.
Continuing left lane. Speeds are now approaching 90 miles an hour, dispatch. Left lane. Traffic is now thinning out. We're coming up to Moravian.
Copy that. Left lane, traffic thinning out, we're approaching Moravian.
Got a green light at Moravian, center lane. I'm coming up to traffic again. We are at 100. We're now slowing down. We're down to about 80, going to 75.
Copy that. Approaching Moravian.
Do we have sticks up there, anybody?
We're going to see if maybe we can get some from Sterling.
Okay, this vehicle is occupied twice. I got a passenger also.
Copy. It's occupied 2 times.
You guys good with the 28 on this? Left lane, speeds are now coming to a stop. Stand by, dispatch. We got a lot of traffic approaching Garfield. Alright, looks like he's going to go through the red light. Stand by. We're in the flipper. Hang on, we're in the flipper. Looks like we're going to go eastbound, everybody. Eastbound. Yup, he's in the oncoming lanes, guys. Oncoming lanes.
Sorry, that oncoming lane.
Alright, we're going to be going southbound Garfield from 16, guys. Let Frazier know.
Southbound Garfield. Yeah, southbound Garfield, we're calling Frazier now.
Okay. Speeds are back up to 80 miles an hour. Traffic is thin on Garfield southbound in the left lane.
Copy that.
Alright, dispatch. Southbound Garfield left lane. We are now through a street called Festian, coming up the 15-mile road. He's going into the center lane.
Copy that. Still southbound on Garfield, approaching Frazier, approaching 15.
Stand by, dispatch. Alright, we're through 15-mile road, dispatch.
Copy that, through 15.
Speed 70 miles an hour. are now 85 miles an hour. Dispatch continuing southbound Garfield. Going to be coming up to school zone.
Copy that, still southbound, 85.
I'm just confirming, dispatch. He is wanted for homicide. We're going through Klein. It's a red light.
That's what UCs are telling us. We want it for homicide.
A firm, thank you. Going through 14 Mile Road, dispatch. Traffic is totally clear. It's a green light.
Traffic's clear. We're through 14 on Garfield.
Speeds are now 85. We're slowing down. Looks like he's going to pick up Utica.
Copy that, looking like he's going to get on Utica. Homicide out of North Dakota.
14, homicide out of North Dakota. Stand by, dispatch. We're going through a private parking lot.
Copy that, closer. Copy that.
Alright, dispatch. Southbound Utica coming up to Masonic. He is now driving down the sidewalk.
Driving on the sidewalk with southbound Utica and Masonic.
Alright, dispatch. When I get the opportunity, I'm going to see if I can take him out. He's getting pretty reckless.
Copy that. I'm going to take him out.
Not at the moment, but stand by. Dispatch for Utica through the railroad tracks coming up to Groesbeck. I got traffic. Going through the grass, Marathon gas station by the Jimmy John's.
Through the grass by Jimmy John's.
Southbound Groesbeck now. Looks like we're going to go through 13, set up at a red light. Stand by.
Looks like approaching 13.
Alright, we made it through. Nobody hit anybody.
Made it through.
Southbound Groesbeck, speeds are now 80. We're approaching Common Road. He's in the center lane.
Center lane, southbound, approaching Common.
Alright, I think I'm in a position to take him out, dispatch. Stand by.
Copy that, standing by.
Hold up, I'm holding off. I got a lot of traffic coming up. I am not going to take him out at this time.
Copy that, holding off, heavy traffic.
Alright, dispatch, we're through 12 Mile. Southbound Groesbeck through 12 Mile.
Southbound Groesbeck through 12.
Alright, he's driving up the center lane, coming up to Martin. We got a lot of traffic speed. They're slowing down. We're doing 70.
Center lane, 70 through Martin.
Alright, we got a lot of traffic now, dispatch. A lot of traffic. Back in the center lane, southbound through Martin.
A lot of traffic, still southbound through Martin. Very good.
Alright, dispatch. Looks like you might be getting set up to go down 696 if we got any more units. I'll advise stand by. Left lane, left lane.
Left lane, left lane. We got MSP and Warren advised, unknown exactly where their units are.
10-4, we're through the light, continuing southbound. Stand by. I got traffic. I got to stop for.
Yeah, we're still southbound.
Alright, we made it through. I didn't hit anybody, neither did our suspect. Southbound, continuing at 70 miles an hour. Going to be coming up to 10 Mile.
Copy that.
Check that, Frazier. My apologies.
Copy that, Frazier.
Alright, looks like he's getting ready to go through a red light. Speeds are 90, left lane, southbound Groesbeck.
Still southbound.
Alright, we're now doing 100. He's slowing down, hitting the brakes for traffic.
What's your speed?
We are down to 35 for a red light.
Can you...
All right, he just caused a rear end accident, none of us. All right, guys, we got open roadway dispatch, open roadway. Let's take him out.
Copy that. Open roadway attempting to take out.
C5 right up there with him. We're going to take him out.
All right, go ahead.
Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Do not move! Do not move! Do not move!
Start an ambulance.
We're going to get him 300.
All right, I'm gonna need the ambulance. Start the ambulance.
Copy that down the way. You just need one way.
Keep your hands up, motherfucker! You better keep your fucking hands up! You fucking hear me? Keep your fucking hands up! Don't you fucking move!
I don't got no weapons. I don't got
Don't
no
you
weapons.
fucking move!
I will lay down. I will lay down.
You better keep your fucking hands up! You understand me?
Okay, I can't. My door closed. My legs like this.
Step this way.
I don't got no weapons. I promise you.
Climb out on the seat and don't reach for anything. That's how I can fight you.
I'm not.
All right. Keep your hands up and keep coming over that seat now! Come over that seat now!
Okay, bro. What you do? All right. I don't got no weapons.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Watch it, watch it, watch it! Fuck!
Command 1, dispatch. Right, we're in custody. Nobody is injured. Copy that. 2 in custody, no injuries.
MC5's injured. I need that ambulance.
Copy that. We got him on MC5. Got it.